Exercise number 2A, question number 1. Summation x equal 24, summation x square equal 78 and n equal 8. The first one is find the mean. Mean x bar equals summation x over n, that is 24 over 8, answer is 3. And B variance, variance is summation x square over n minus summation x over n square, which is summation x square over n. This is x bar basically, x bar square, so this is going to be 78 over 8 minus 3 square, so the answer is going to be 0.75. Then say standard deviation is square root v, so this is going to be 0.75 square, that is 0.86. Question number 2. 10 dogs are weighted. The summary data for the weight is summation 10. So n equal 10, summation w is 241, summation w square is 5950705, and variance is w over n, then this is square, this is square, so this is going to be 5905 over 10 minus 241 over 10 square, so this value is going to be 9.67, so sigma equal 9.67 square standard deviation, so this is going to be around 3.11 kg. Question number 3. This is about a student height, and we want to find the mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n equal 8. So x bar is 165 plus 170. 175 I wrote in ordered manner, 180, 185 and 185 plus 190 divided by 8. So the x bar is going to be approximately 1.7 178. So now the second part is variance. So variance is summation h square over n, summation h over n square, and that is going to be 254,254,307 divided by n equal 8 minus 178 square. So we will get that variance around 59.9, and approximately, and C standard deviation equal 59.9, the square root, so 7.74 approximately. This is approximated value. Question number 4. There are two set of numbers. One is n equal 10 size, other one is 25, and summation x equal 50, and summation x square equal 310. And the other one, n equal not 25, 15, and summation x is 86, and summation x square equal 568. When we combine this one, n is going to be 10 plus 15, 25, and then summation x is going to be 50 plus 86, and summation x square going to be 310 and 568, which is 878, and yeah, n equal 25. Now we can work out. We need to find the standard deviation, find the mean. So mean x bar equal summation x over n, that is 136 over 25 and 5.44 approximately, and standard deviation that is summation x square over n, summation x over n square. So this is basically 878 over 25 minus 136 over 25 the square root. Question number 5. Nabs asks the student in his year group how much pocket money they get paid per week. So how many weeks, how many students, in this project? There are 85. The frequency is 85 total frequency. And we need to find the mean and the standard deviation. So x bar equal midpoint 8 times 14 plus 9 times 8 plus 10 times 28 plus 11 times 15 plus 12 times 20 divided by 85. So we get the answer as 10.22, and the standard deviation we will get summation x square over summation f minus summation fx over summation f square and square root. So this is 869 over 65, 85 actually, and summation x is 869, and summation x square is 8 times 14 square, 8 square times 14, 9 square times 8, and 10 square times 28, 11 square times 15 plus 12 square times 20. So this value is equal to 9039, and then 9039 over 85 equal 869 over 85 square. That is going to be 1.35. Now part B, this is part A. How many students receive and amount of pocket money more than one standard deviation above the mean? It means when we get the mean 10.22, it can be above or sigma can be above or below. So we need above the mean. It means this is 10 point plus 135. This distance is, it means above the in this area. So I will take this value is this x1. So x1 equal 10.22 plus 1.35. That is going to be 11.57. Now we have to interpolate 11.57 in this area. It means this top bound 11.5, upper boundary, lower bound 11 point, upper bound 12.5, and in middle 11.57, and the relevant value is 65 terms, and up to here 85 students. So then this is the amount of student we need. I will take this is y. 11.57 minus 11.5 over 12.5 minus 11.5 equal, this is y. Y minus 65 over 85 minus 65. So you'll get y answer as 66.4. So from here to here now, 66.4, and whole distance is 85. Then the student number of students above 11.57 is 85 minus 6.4, which is 18.6, approximately 19 students. Question number 6. This is absent about a student group. The total number of students in this summation F is 12 plus 20 plus 10 plus 7 plus 5, that is going to be 54. Summation fx, we need to find the standard deviation. Summation fx equal 12 times 0 plus 20 times 1 plus 10 times 2 plus 7 times 3 plus 5 times 4. So summation fx is going to be 81. And summation fx square, it means 12 times 0 square, 20 times 1 square, 10 times 2 square, and 7 times 3 square, plus 5 times 4 square. So that is going to be 203. So sigma equal summation x square over summation fx, summation f minus summation fx over summation x square. So this is going to be 203 over 54 minus 81 over 54 square root. So approximate answer is 1.23. Question number 7. It is about the type of machine contained part entered where different amounts of 50 part were checked. So okay, this is let's say H. It's going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So when it is 5 frequency, so this is H, 0, and when it's come to here, it is going to be 5, and when it's come to here, 5 plus 14, 19. Then when it's come to 20, 19 plus 23, 19 plus 23, 42. When 42 plus 7 comes here, this is 50, 48, 42 plus 6, 48, and 48 plus 2, 50. So this is the cumulative frequency, and H, 5, 10, 15. And the person is complaining, we want to find the mean first, mean of this one, and the standard deviation. Okay, we'll work on this one now. N equal 50, summation so this is X, the class interval and the midpoint, and then this is frequency, and then we want to get a summation H, that is 7.5 times 5 plus 12.5 times 40 plus 17.5 times 23 times 22.5 times 6 plus 27.5 times 2 divided by 50, the total frequency. So sorry, this is summation H. So we will get the answer is 805. So summation H square is 7.5 square times 5, 12.5 square times 14, and 17.5 square times 23, and 22.5 square times 6, plus 27.5 square times 2. So this value 14062.5, and X bar mean is now 805 summation H over N. 80, this is equal summation F. 805 divided by 50, that is going to be 16.1. So mean hours is 16 hours, and now the standard deviation is summation H square over summation F minus X bar or summation H over summation F square, that's square root. So this is going to be 1406 2.5 over 50 minus 8 over 5 over 50 square root. So we will get answer 4.69. So now we need the So we want to find one standard deviation below mean. Mean is 16.1 minus 4.69, which is 11.41. Now 11.41 is in here, somewhere here. It means by bring this one, this is 10 and this is 15. 11.1 somewhere here. So 5 and 14. 5 and I won't look at this one. I got here 19, here 14. That's fine. This is F. This is not the cumulative. Cumulative is 5, 19, 42, 48, 48, 50. So 10, 10 and 15, 5 and 9. This is 11.41. This is 19, and we'll find this value first of all. Then number of parts. I will take this is P. Then by interpolation 11.41 minus 10 over 15 minus 10 equal P minus 5 over 19. We will get around 8.948. So when then this is 11.41, how many parts there? The number of parts is 8.9 approximately. This one, this value. Then they are claiming this much of has 90%. Now we'll minus 50 minus 8.9 and see how many remains, and we'll take the percentage out of it. Now 50 minus 8.948 equal 41.052. So this is 41.052, 41 point, whole number of parts here up to. So then we'll find the percentage. 41.052 total 50 multiplied by 100. What is this percentage? If I take 41 here, then 50 divided by this is 2, so 41, this is 82%. So manufacturers, now it is only 82%, but they are claiming they have 92%. Manufacturers claim is incorrect. This amount is only 82%. So if they need to obtain 90%, what is the calculation? X times 50 over 100 should be 90. In that case 50 cancel out, this is cancel out, x equal 9 times 5, 45. It should if they need to obtain 90%, then the amount should be 45 pieces. It means parts. Question number 8 is a daily mean wind speed of Lee mean in June. So in June there are 30 days, so n equals 30 and summation x is given 243 and summation x square is given 2317. Calculate use a calculator to work out the mean and the standard deviation of the daily wind speed. I mean x by summation x over n, that is 243 over 30, that is 8.1 kilo and standard deviation summation x square over uh, n summation x over n square root. So this is going to be 2317 over 8.1 minus 243 over 30 square root, and this is 3.41 kilo